All right, we're going to get started with 13.3 work together as part of the end of lesson review. Okay, here it says, prepare Form 941 for concept designs for the first quarter of the current year. The company address is 12043 Washington Street, Naperville, Illinois. The zip code, and then concept designs, employer identification number is, and company has 8 employees. So we're going to start to fill out this 941, and remember this is the quarterly federal tax return, so a way for the government to see quarterly what we've been withholding for taxes, okay, and what those taxes are. So the first thing we're going to put in is the employee identification number. Okay, the name is Concept Designs, and we don't have to worry about this trade name right now. The number is 12043. Street is Washington Street. No suite or room number. City, state, we're just going to put the abbreviation, and zip code. Putting in that full zip code there. Okay, and we are filling out, we can look up here, January, February, March, so we are in quarter 1. We're going to select that here. Okay, so now we need to know the number of employees here, and that is 8. So I'm going to put 8 in this box here. And now I need to figure out the wages, tips, and other compensation, so that's my total earnings here. I need to add those 3 together. And I'm going to get a total of $35,640. Then I need to figure out how much income tax was withheld for those 3 months for the quarter. So I'm going to come back up to federal income tax withheld and add those 3 together. And I'll get 2,144. Okay, and now I need to calculate those Social Security and then also those Medicare taxes here. So I'm going to put in the total earnings. And now remember, these are a little bit different. They were 6.2% because we calculated the employee and the employer. So this form is combining those two. So instead of having them separate, it's together. So in total, Social Security taxed wages is 12.4%. So we're just doing that all at once here for the quarter. So 35640 times 0.124 is going to calculate my Social Security taxes. Okay, I don't have to do anything with this for tips. And now we're going to do the Medicare. So it's same. I start with that total wages. And again, it was the 0.145%. So now it is 0.029. And we're going to multiply this. And we get 1,033.56. Okay, and then column 5D here is that we need to add 5A and 5C here to get our total. So 4. So here we have 54, 52, 92. And then in line 6E, it says total taxes before adjustments. So adding line 3 plus 5D minus line 60, but we don't need anything in there because we didn't do anything with those tips there. Okay, to get column or to get line 6E. So I'm going to add my income tax withheld, so 2144, and then these other taxes here, so 54, 52, 92. Okay, and I'll get there. All right, so I'm going to keep filling in. There's more boxes we have to fill in as we go whenever it tells us to total here. So we need to combine. We don't have anything for these quarters adjustments. We haven't done anything with adjustments. So here is just going to be that same number. Okay, nothing here. Total, line 10, same thing, 7596.92. Same thing with line 11. We don't have anything with COBRA, which is an insurance thing. We don't have anything with these exempt wages. And so then we need to add lines 11 through 12E, and we get that same number. Okay, and that's it that we need to do on this one for 941 right now. Then we're going to come down to part 2. And remember, we need to select the state. And if we look again, we are in Illinois. Okay, so I'm going to select Illinois. And I'm going to check that we are a monthly schedule depositor for the entire quarter. And now I need to calculate these tax liabilities for month 1, month 2, and month 3. So I'm going to go back up to my chart up here. And I'm going to add these together. Okay, and now remember, these are just employee. We also need employer. So that would mean that this number needs to be doubled and this number needs to be doubled. And then we'll add in this one. So they'll have a bigger number here. So I'm going to do that. Then take 721.68 times 2 and then add in 168.78 twice. And then add in that 698 from the federal income tax. Okay. And I got 2478.92 for month 1. And then I'm going to come back up to month 2 and same thing again. And this time I'm going to add it across. So whatever you prefer here, but 718 plus 737.80 plus 737.80 plus 172.55 plus 172.55. Okay, and I get 2538.70. And then I need to do month 3, 728 plus 750.20 plus 750.20 plus 175.45 plus 175.45. So I get 2579.30. And then I'm going to add them together. And I got 7,596.92. And then you notice here total must equal line 10. And so I got the same number when I put those together. So that finishes up the work together. You can do the on your own and the application problem. And I'm just going to make note on the application problem, it gives you a little bit more information here, but it doesn't change anything. So don't get tripped up by the information you find that's additional in your application problem. It does not change anything for how you calculate. Okay.